Good morning. Saturday, October 26th. 66 degrees out. Yeah, feels good. All right, here's what we got in store today. I got some King Foam FP insoles in my half cabs. Straight out the fucking oven, 250 degrees for 9 minutes. Walked around the neighborhood, got them shaped and molded to my feet. So we're gonna see if this helps out with the heel bruise. I've used these in the past, so they just don't feel the greatest. Like, they feel lumpy in my shoes. I don't know, just walking. But my heel isn't hurting walking right now. That's all that matters. Yeah, let me show you what I got in store today. This is my Mike V, World Industries, Barnyard replica. I had this board. I got this board for my birthday. Yeah, I went to Stone Edge Skate Park in Daytona Beach, Florida. And as soon as I walked in, it was on the wall with all these beautiful World Industry boards. I was magnetized to it the day that I saw it. So I've been in love with this board, this graphics. This is a Street Plant 2014 reissue model, I believe, 2014, 2015. And it's 9.5 inches wide. It's the original shape. You know, this was the World Industries first double kick. The ad was like... So what I'm gonna do today is, we got a 14.25 wheelbase, and I'm going to make it 13.9, roughly around there. Give it a little extra wiggle, and change it up from the last time I rode it. It has been beat up a little bit, got a chip in the tail. But yeah, I'm gonna take the trucks off. I'm gonna pull this piece of grip tape off. We're gonna re-drill it, probably 3/8, and then I might put some Little John's 1/4-inch slop jar risers on it, because it needs 1/4-inch risers. I got 53 mil neon pink dragons that I dyed with SKF bearings, so that might look cool. All right, let's re-drill this baby. 3/8 wheelbase jig is on.
Air supply from my here I am. Nearly evicted because he couldn't make a $300 rent payment. What Kenny's getting for his investment.
5.75 nose now. 13.9 wheelbase. The slop jar risers fit this perfect. The original bed pans came out when this board came out from World Industries. So yeah, this is very reminiscent for me. Phew! These are Indy 159 hollow base plates with standard hangers. Whoa, yeah! Okay, it turns. Final overhaul. Came out amazing. Yeah, loving the Dye-licious dye. This shit's amazing. I did neon orange yesterday. Yeah, neon hot orange. 54 mil dragons. shit. Florida orange. Yeah, they came out nice. Yeah, Delicious Dye. Good shit. Okay, I'm thinking about setting them up on my Eric Dressen 9-inch popsicle. So I got some custom orange base plates that are inverted kingpins. These are the same goddamn color. That look cool. Okay, I think we're gonna cruise down to the park and either do hot lava, push switch, but regardless, we're gonna be stretching my calves and not slamming any weight on this heel. So just cruising, keep my FP insoles glued to the board. Yeah. All right, good luck. Oh yeah, all right, we just got done doing our stretch. Feeling good. You saw it last time. But what we're adding into it are these calf stretches, yeah. So getting into the position of a hard, deep push and just holding it. You know, that's really what's gonna help heal this faster than anything, is utilizing it without straining it. So here we go. All right, I got a good stretch in my legs. And you know, today, Saturday, I'd normally be going all day long skating, but we're just gonna be doing it disciplinary, 15 minutes, maybe 20. We just wanna feel the board. We just wanna do basics, keep consistency, not hit any acorns, and just feel one with the board. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Yeah. This fill spot's made it a whole week. Holy fuck. Make sure your sticker stays on. Yeah, Anya voted this morning. First time voter for Anya. Okay, you ready? All right, we're getting on. Left foot forward. Push and switch. Ooh, man, it feels good. Ooh, yeah, hope you can make it outside today. It's fucking gorgeous out. Fuck. Okay. Apparently not a good spot. Do you feel that shit? Okay, I just realized I just did 2 blunts in a row, and the third one's coming faster, harder, so I'm gonna stop. I gotta do a disciplinary, but I can feel let's fucking go mode is on. Yeah. So I've been pushing switch, getting speed. I'm back down. I'm downsizing to hot lava and no pushing to control the discipline. That's how I got to do it. But yeah, all in all, it's fucking treat me well today. Whew. Oh shit. Oh god. Get off. Okay. Oh god. Holy fuck.
Yeah, you can say that.
No kidding. Back from the skate park. Got a nice, fresh, cold shower. Feeling good. Feeling that heel just a little bit, but I'm about to do another little stretch and then go fuel. But yeah, I had so much fun on my Mike V Barnyard. Brought back so many good times for the future. What's for lunch? Salmon cakes. This right here is 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 pieces of bacon, and a little nutritional yeast all mixed up. I'm gonna dip that. Oh.
Is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's worth it. If you're strong enough.
All right, sunset walk, getting these knees moving. Got to keep the body moving. We're taking a nice walk to the store. We're gonna get a lotto ticket and get a good night's rest. We'll see how we feel in the morning.
Anyone can say, "I'm sorry," but not everyone can fix what they're apologizing for. If you want to mean an apology, you have to do the hard work of changing. But real change is hard, which is why many people avoid it. It's up to you to actively work on becoming a better person. If growth was comfortable, everyone would easily take those steps. It takes real commitment to change the behavior you're apologizing for. Remember, what you do matters more than what you say.
Ooh, good morning. Sunday fun day, October 27th. Yeah, it's amazing out right now. We got a cool 60 degrees. Getting these legs fucking moving. Getting my heel bruise fucking stretched. It's getting better. Yeah, it's definitely getting better. Got the FP insole switched to another pair of shoes today. Been taking a spoon with some moisturizer and just kind of scraping the fascia on the bottom of my feet. Getting that all fucking stretched out. And just eating a lot of omega-3s. A lot of sardines and salmon. Yesterday I ate a whole can of fucking salmon. And I've been full ever since. Like, I haven't eaten since 1:30 yesterday. So I'm pretty well fasted. And I'm just going to continue to fast until I get fucking absolutely starving. From the last time I did a high omega-3 flush, I just didn't get hungry. Like, I fasted for like 3 days. So, but I healed. That's what we're doing. We're healing. Yeah. All right, we gotta get to the post office. drop off some orders. Thanks everybody for the pipe orders. Hope you're enjoying them. And we'll get to the park. Disciplinary sweat sesh. Maybe 30 minutes today. But just keeping it to the basics, you know. Of course, I want to try new tricks and do new things and push myself, but it's not the time. We use the discipline, the patience, and the persistence to keep doing what we're doing, and that's trying to skate as long as we can, as long as my knees will let us. That's the goal. Woo-hoo. All right, we made it to the skate park. Golden hour is among us. But I got a lot of cleaning to do. I had a Halloween bash here last night and there's fucking shit everywhere. Swept. Now we're gonna put a layer of WAXO wax on, yeah. Oh yeah, all right, just got done stretching. And here's what I'm skating today. Yeah, my tugboat. 53 mil 93A Dragons, black on black Indy 169 hangers. Custom inverted kingpin base plates. Cruise on my tugboat. Yeah. Getting one more calf stretch on this bank. Yeah. Rotating. All these small things have just been helping. Like, I'm definitely feeling better than I did last weekend, heel bruise wise. You know, my body and my brain fucking feel amazing right now. Like, I just want to fucking kill it, you know? Like, I feel so strong. I feel light on my feet. Oh. And the thing is, I don't want to set myself back. And if I start charging and going hard, then I'm just gonna set myself back. So same thing as last weekend, same thing as yesterday. Disciplinary sweat sesh. 30 minutes max today. It's Sunday fun day. So skating smart, skating safe, and being able to skate more. That's today. When we get back to feeling optimized, oh, there's a list of shit in here we gotta do. Okay. Final stretch is done. Here's how we're getting on today. Yeah. Yeah, heart rate's up now instantly. Fuck. Woo. Sprinted cardio first thing in the morning. I love that. Grind. Okay, let's go set this thing down. Oh, I'm charged. God damn. Woo-hoo. Feel that? My toes got you. Hey, what's up?
What are you working on?
Oh, just not touching the ground. Yeah, I got a bruised heel, so I'm not pushing. I'm not doing anything. I'm just
Pumping around?
pumping, yeah, just wiggling. Staying on the board.
You're the best at that.
I mean, if I don't do that, then I can't even skate.
Yeah, but you can pump around hard faster than I can push it.
Yeah, I don't have to push, but goddamn, it really helps me fucking go far. Like,
Yeah.
to grind this whole thing, I need my fucking super push. In the pump, it's like,
Dude, that
I'll
back,
demonstrate. I can't go the whole thing.
that back blunt to fakie you did on that thing the last time I was here, blew
Oh.
my fucking mind.
I probably didn't know that.
Whoa! Oh! Jesus Christ.
I flew out right here. My feet were like this high,
Oh,
wearing Chuck Taylors, and my leg just comes down. Boom! Felt like it cracked the bottom of my heel.
those shoes wrecked me, dude.
So 2 weeks went by, it was getting better. And then I came and bullet slid the whole thing, and somehow bailed at the very last second, and just put my fucking heel through the earth. Like focused it. And it's been fucked up since then for like the last 3 weeks. So
What are you gonna do? Oh! No side fakie?
calling it quits. Disciplinary. Whew. Good times. Alright, we're heading home. Alright, disciplinary sweat sesh complete with a bonus that you didn't see. Yeah, the boys all showed up, so I got another whole 30-minute session in with them cruising, maybe a little bit longer. But it was fun, you know, just continuing to build the consistency with the basics, and just staying on, feeling the board, having fun, and focusing on not doing tricks that are gonna slam my fucking left heel into the ground. That's what I was maintaining today. But a lot of switch pushing and hot lava. We're gonna make it to the next weekend, hopefully feeling better. All right, let's get home safe.
When you begin to prioritize your own needs, be prepared for pushback. People in your life may react with confusion or concern. For years, you've been the go-to person, the one who always says yes, the reliable friend or family member who puts everyone else first. Then one day, you decide to put yourself on that priority list. Suddenly, the world tilts on its axis. People get uncomfortable when you change the rules of the game. They've grown accustomed to your constant availability, your endless giving. When you start saying no, when you begin carving out time for yourself, it disrupts their comfortable routine. Some might even accuse you of being selfish, but setting boundaries is not a selfish act. You can't pour from an empty cup. By prioritizing your needs, you're not just taking care of yourself. You're ensuring you have the energy and resources to genuinely be there for others when it truly matters. Stand firm in your decision to prioritize yourself. You're not responsible for managing others' reactions to your personal growth.
Made it home safe. Okay, it's time to break this fast. Whoa, whoa, look out, look out. Cast netting for crickets. Ooh, all right, yeah, cheers and healers. Got a full belly. But I didn't get my salmon or sardines. I guess I ate them all yesterday. So I had to intake 16 ounces of 90-10 ground sirloin steak. Yeah, that was delicious. Oh, okay, ready to put my feet up. Oh, look at that. Rest and recover. Yeah, so I'm feeling good. I don't feel like I overstretched or overworked my heel. I've been constantly doing the calf stretches. I got a spoon in my pocket, hold on. Yeah, just been rubbing my feet like this. Just doing this, that's all I'm doing. Yeah. Kind of just takes the tightness away, loosens everything up. But yeah, I'm hoping to feel even better next weekend. Maybe able to start pushing lightly with my left leg. That's the goal. So until then, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. You know, I'm going to be pumping omega-3s for the next week, bone broth, calf stretches, weekly strength training, all of it. It all goes together. So we'll definitely be seeing you Halloween night right here, Smokers Lounge. Probably having a bowl of Sleepy Hollow, and we'll talk about my alcohol sobriety over the last 6 years. One of you need to hear it, so stay tuned.
The more we work on ourselves, the less we accept things that hold us back. As you grow, as you learn to value yourself, something changes. You start noticing the subtle ways people cross your boundaries. Things you used to tolerate are now less tolerable. You start to realize you deserve better. Fitting in isn't even the point anymore. It's about belonging to yourself first. The problem is not with your patience, it's self-respect you're running into. That's something to celebrate.